Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna discuss how to fix TikTok app crashing, which means when you open TikTok and it opens for some time and automatically goes back. Then I will tell you how you can fix that. First of all, for the solution, what you have to do is you have to restart your device and turn it on again so that this problem can be fixed. If the problem is still there, what you have to do is you have to check whether your internet connection working properly or not, which means if you are connected to Wi-Fi, you have to check whether it is still connected or not, or you can restart your router so that it can work properly. Moreover, you can also check for mobile data connection if you are connected to that. For the next solution, what you have to do is you have to click on settings. After clicking on settings, what you have to do is you have to go for apps or application manager. You have to click on that. After opening apps or application manager, you have to scroll down and you have to search for TikTok. Here, what you have to do is you have to click on TikTok and you have to click on storage and you have to here clear the cache and data, which means you have to clear the data and cache of your TikTok app. After doing so, what you have to do next is you have to open your Play Store and you have to check for the update of the TikTok app, which means you have to check whether your TikTok app is updated or not. If it is not updated, then you have to update your app because many bugs are solved by the updated version of the TikTok. If it is not updated, then you have to click on update and you have to update your app so that your problem can be solved. After updating your TikTok app and the problem is still there, then what you have to do is you have to wait for another version of the TikTok because many bugs are solved by the TikTok itself. So kindly subscribe our channel if you have liked this video.